If you're encountering a security validation error with Tesco Bank involving identity checks, document submissions, or retries, it's likely due to issues verifying your identity or documents during login or transaction approval. This often occurs with multi-factor authentication, like biometrics, one-time passwords, or uploaded documents. First, ensure you're using the latest version of the Tesco Bank app, version 5.0 or later. Clear the app's cache and data, as this can resolve corrupted data issues. Double-check your internet connection. If using biometrics, ensure your device's camera is clean and the lighting is adequate. For document submissions, use high-quality scans or photos without glare, ensuring all information is fully visible. Make sure the information matches your registered details. If the error persists, immediately contact Tesco Bank's live chat support or use their troubleshooting portal. Be aware of the retry limits, usually 3 to 5 attempts before your account locks. After a failed attempt, allow for any specified cooldown period before trying again. If basic troubleshooting fails, the problem may lie deeper. Verify that your device meets the app's compatibility requirements, as older devices can cause issues. When submitting documents, be aware that Tesco Bank uses OCR and AI to detect alterations or poor quality. Ensure your submissions meet all guidelines detailed in the Tesco Bank's online help center. To prevent future errors, familiarize yourself with Tesco Bank's security protocols. As of 2025, Tesco and other UK banks are trending towards app-centric, AI-enhanced verification and biometric MFA to reduce reliance on physical tokens. Future trends, 2026 to 2030, may include integration with decentralized identity (DID) systems and blockchain-based secure retries. However, be vigilant against cyber threats like AI-generated fake documents. Stay informed about the latest security updates and user education resources provided by Tesco Bank and cybersecurity firms like Norton to protect your account. In summary, stay proactive with security measures and follow Tesco Bank's guidelines closely to mitigate future validation errors.